How to add a link to your TikTok bio. Now, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. Now, let's get started right away because it's actually not that hard, but unfortunately, TikTok has made some changes and it has made it just a little bit harder than it was before. So let me just show you, because here in the setup profile or in the edit profile page, I don't have anything where I can add a link. I have a bio, of course, but if I were to put the link in here and go back, I actually cannot click on the link. It's not a clickable link. So in order to actually get that, is you have to go to the settings and privacy, then to account at the top, then here switch to a business account. I used to be able to switch to either a creator or a business account. Nowadays you can only switch to a business account. And here you have to choose a category. So just let's say others, then click next. Then I would have to add a profile picture and then create a video maybe later. Now I'm all set up. It's as easy as that. So now if I go to edit profile right over here, there actually is a website tab right now. So if I click on there, it unfortunately says this. So become a registered business account. This feature is only available for registered business accounts. Now this means that if you click on get started, you actually have to verify your whole business. Now I'm not completely sure if you actually have to put a legitimate business in here, or if you could also just fill in something random. So you can try that for yourself if you would like to, and try it out. But I also believe that I've heard some people say that you need at least 1,000 followers, and then you don't have to become a registered business account anymore. So they probably just do that to make sure that there aren't that many spam accounts and such. So I believe if you have 1,000 followers, then you don't need to do this verification thing and you can just do it. Now, I do remember that on older accounts that have it since I don't know how long, they still can change it either way. They don't even have to verify their business account. So yeah, that is it. That is some information you have to keep in mind. I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, let me know in the comments and I'll see you next time.